You know, say me never did want to come over here so can talk, but me have to talk, you know. Jamaica, Andrew Holness, Andrew Michael Holness, Mark Golden, MPs, Member of Parliament, people, councillors, public officials, police, soldier, UNO, when a security, gunman, youths where I never own an intention to take up no gun, but politicians go no gun, and other rich people can buy it and ship it in the country and give on guns, kill off on a brother and a sister. Not for on happy now because on a dirt, on a take how much people 3 pints. Yeah, I want to take on our own Jamaican brothers and sisters 3 pints. Yeah, I want to feel good. And politicians allow for just walk up and down in our country and manipulate the minds of the people, and all kind of shenanigans and all kind of Anansiism. Yeah, on come up and this on come round and this on give the people them in our country. This will give the people them in our country. Not the politicians. No politicians. Get up on mess up the place. I make you them a kill off one another. Happy. For yourself. And you see, what people now realize, you know, out of the blue, you Andrew Holness. And the whole of UNO. And even if Mark Golding did in there, even if it was Mark Golding, even if I did Mark Golding, at the same result, UNO would instantly know who did the shooting. Because UNO know. Because the country is macro managed. Yeah? And in some cases, micromanaged. Yeah? UNO have people everywhere. Councillors, MPs, who them know who are criminal from who are not criminal. We know that. You see, a boy like me, you don't want me chatting, because me tell you already, me tell you a bit, and I'm going to tell you again, you know, better send everybody, you know. Send who not send, you know. But remember me tell you, know. You see, my Jamaica, me go fight for that. Me I go fight for Jamaica land where me love. Me go fight. The kids them go back go play in the streets. Andrew Holness, Mark Golding, gunman, the whole of UNO. The kids them, thieving police, badman police. You see the Jamaican people them we want to live down there, so them are gonna live. Remember me tell you that. Remember me tell UNO that. You see me, they want powerful youth. And you can't stop the powers in a this. And even if you cut off the head, remember me tell you say, one more I go rise up, many more. Me I go fight and free the Jamaican people them from the hands and from the hole where UNO have for me people them down there, sir. You hear me tell you no? Gunman who are grown and a kill off on brothers and sisters, me go tell UNO this first. You see, UNO, me can understand with UNO, because the truth is, our politicians mess UNO up. And me I go beg UNO, for the love of God, UNO stop kill out UNO one another youths. UNO stop kill out UNO brothers and sisters. The real fight in the parliament. The real fight up a parliament. Where you have one bunch of criminals. We set we up against one another. When I mean we not good. Not good. Not good. Them sell out everything. Them brainwash UNO. Them pay UNO. Them literally pay UNO. For all the orders. And bring people come election day for vote for the drunk of them. When them can't control UNO, or when UNO decide to step out of the box, them send man come kill UNO. Politicians. They're all criminals. Jojo. But let me tell you this today. Let me tell you this. Me, Marvin, Edgar, make it ring in your head like a one bell. Big old labor right bell. Oh no, Afi. Go prison. If you don't make it that far, you know, Afi go. You see, the rest of that year, 2024, the rest of it is going to be hot. Because the US dollar a crash fast. So the sufferation are going to turn up fast. 37% of US people will be losing their homes. Will be losing their homes. 37%. That is 13% less 50%. Yeah? So almost half of the country are going to lose their house. And if America get affected like that, America, you know what going to happen to Jamaica. But instead, you know, say if we did sign some good deals, nasty dirty politician, you say if we did sign some good deals, and the raw goal, we want to have C3 metal and dig out the earth down there, so you say if we did have that, put in our vault, fill we one, and set up a factory right around it, and call who need to call and we mass produce and employ the people them, take off enough of youths off the street rather than dig out them and every day with them brethren on the corner side because I'm not give them nothing else to do. You see if we if we did make them kind of decisions and them kind of moves and the country say we don't really care about the people them, but we don't care, we don't take 5%. 5%. And every time on the youth them hungry on the street side, they remember say 5% of the goal. 5%. And Jamaica will never see $1 of that. We're not gonna see a penny. And in order for the youth them get any help, them need needs, them need big stinking needs. So that you can give them on a central bank digital currency on a control. That's why you want to free up cryptocurrency in our country. And you come and pretend like you mean the people them well because you want to control offices because some are drunk outside of the politics. You see uno. Let me tell you this thing. I see the revolution one did want. It has start right now. Long time me attack. I don't think it's a joke. Watch a joke. We are sick and tired of Uno. We're sick and tired of Uno. You think it's easy thing one time. Some of them, you little pitney them, the 1 year old right now when a hospital with gunshot own name, the 1 year old, and this a fight and I got tap. And then you employ one big dirty idiot soldier boy. Uno employ him. Uno rise him up. I'm about to put him over prison for run the prison. And everybody at about, yes man, this a man no play man. But you don't have it in the news now where I'm going to tell us say, yeah, him can't grow on it and him can't control it. But we should still pay him. You can't talk about crime go down 17%. 17%. You call mass meeting you call with police. For the mass shooting. What was the mass shooting? 8 died. 8 died. And 10 in a hospital. You didn't know, say, every 3 days, a 9 dead in a Jamaica? Yeah, man. You want to know how I arrive at that? 1,500 people died. Divide that by the 365 days. 365 days. And you have an idea as to how much persons die per day in a Jamaica. So you will look at it at a one go, boom. All of a sudden you're concerned. Every day people dead in a Jamaica. Every day. And uno alright. And for uno pitney them alright. And uno family alright and well protected. And behind security walls. While the other Jamaicans have to face the music out there. So because uno drunk carry the gun them in the country and nobody enough to talk. We're sick of uno. We're sick of uno at time for the people them revolt. Uno for come out now. Governor generally, wala uno want to mark goal, we don't want none of uno. We don't want none of uno. Independent one. Sick of uno.